At Group O, we focus on optimizing supply chain operations for our clients. One way we do that is through our complex kitting and assembly services. From sourcing, procurement, and warehousing to assembly, packaging, and distribution, Group O's experts manage the complete end-to-end kitting and assembly process. With facilities across North America and our broad networks of suppliers, Group O has the expertise, capacity, and ability to scale to meet the unique kitting needs of any industry, including automotive, consumer packaged goods, electronics, energy, medical devices, retail, and technology. We offer both specialized hand assembly services and automated solutions to accommodate your timelines and demand fluctuations. Group O is ISO certified to ensure quality throughout the process. We conduct component inspections, inventory cycle counts, and audits on completed kits and assemblies to verify that components, quantities, and packaging are correct before shipping. So, if you are looking for an experienced partner for your complex kitting and assembly needs, Group O is ready to deliver end-to-end solutions designed to improve quality, efficiency, and production times to save your business time and money.